This is a 2001 Nissan Pathfinder in Canada, and it has the V6 3500 or 3.5 liter engine, and I'm thinking I have a thermostat problem. And the thermostat, there's two issues here. My heater isn't working very well, and when I start the engine cold, it seems to take a long time to get to warm temperature, and we're coming into winter now, and I figure let's change out the thermostat and bring that engine temperature up quicker, or at least hopefully. And I'm putting in a 180 degree thermostat. With the 5-speed, it's recommended the 170, and the automatic is the 180, but the 180 was nice and close, and I'm thinking a little extra heat can't hurt anything, especially in Canada. So the thermostat on this one is located down below here with the lower rad hose, which is way down under here. And if I can get my hand in here, we're looking at this little housing, which it's really tight. Now you can see there's one bolt over there, looks like maybe a 12 millimeter, and there's two there. Both I think are 10 millimeter. So it doesn't look too difficult. It comes as an integrated thermostat and housing. So if I can get those 3 bolts out after draining the fluid and disconnecting this hose clamp, which I have to get from a different angle. There's the little bracket thing down there on the side. If I can get that pulled off, I should be able to take this out without dismantling half the engine, which I see on, well, not half the engine, but which I see on YouTube, other videos. They pull the rad cover out and they pull the radiator out. Now, I don't know if I can pull this rad cover out easily, or if it's just going to be in the way if it's loose. So we'll see what I can do here. And I won't be videoing my swearing and cursing, but the point of this video is to let you know, if I'm successful and I can get those 3 bolts out and I can get that housing out and put the new one in, that it is quite possible to do this, and without pulling the rad, as long as you're dexterous enough. And I'm 63 years old with a little bit of mechanical skill, and we'll see what happens. But this will be the only video I probably post of it if I'm successful. If I'm not successful, I won't post this video. Hence you won't watch it.